10 Secrets for Glowing Skin. If you think flawlessly beautiful skin comes about for spending hours on applying layer after layer of concealer and foundation, you thought wrong, because naturally glowing skin is within your reach. And today, I'm going to tell you the 10 secrets to achieve healthy and glowing skin. Welcome to Life Hack Lion, the channel that roars the secrets of life. Make sure to watch this video till the end because number 1 is a life-changing skincare routine. Number 10, wear SPF. The most important thing if you want to keep healthy and glowing skin is that you have to wear SPF when you're outside. Do not ever skip wearing sunscreen. The sun's rays are the main cause of you getting wrinkles as you get older and for fading of your skin's glow. So make sure to wear a moisturizer that has plenty of SPF inside that's going to protect your skin as you go about your day. If you think this is so helpful, you don't want to miss number 1. Number 9, exfoliate regularly. The prime cause of dull and dreary skin is the layer of dust, product buildup, and dead skin cells on it. It makes your skin feel rough and complexion look uneven and dreary. Exfoliation helps shed this layer and clears out dirt, oil, and clogged pores, giving you spotless glowing skin. You can pick either a chemical or mechanical exfoliator for your skin type and exfoliate according to your skin's requirement. If you have oily or combination skin, you need to exfoliate twice a week. But if you have dry skin or sensitive or normal skin, once a week is good. Number 8, regular facial massage. Regular massaging helps to drain puffiness and toxins. It brings about more blood cells to the skin, more oxygen, and better absorption of products. Plus, it works to depuff those inevitable tired morning eyes with lymphatic drainage. For dry skin, massage in circular motions upward. Start at the base of the neck where your arteries are. Massage in gentle circles upwards toward the jaw, up the sides of the face, and around the eyes. This will help coax nutrients into the tissue. You want to do the opposite motion and start on the top of the face by the eyes if you are prone to breakouts, as this will draw the waste away. Lymphatic drainage massage can completely change the look of your face and is a great under-the-radar skincare tip. Number 7, get a toner. Toners serve to remove traces of dirt or makeup left behind by your cleanser. They also restore the pH of your skin, control acne, and minimize pores. When picking a toner, go for one that is free of alcohol and with ingredients that suits your skin type. If you have acne-prone skin, a toner with alpha hydroxy acid or AHA will be your best bet. Toners with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, coenzyme Q10, glycerin, and vitamin C work well for normal to combination type skin. Bear in mind that using a facial wash and toner together can be too much for sensitive skin. Toners aren't a replacement for cleansers, so if you find your skin breaking out, use milder products or skip the toner altogether. Number 6, incorporate vitamin C. There is no powerhouse ingredient better than vitamin C to help brighten your skin, combat pigmentation, and contribute to overall better skin health. It works by interfering with pigment production and reducing inflammation while protecting your skin against free radicals and environmental damage. So you might want to include vitamin C in your meal plans in the form of fruit juices like orange juice, strawberry smoothie bowls, or lemon water to get radiant and younger looking skin. Did you take note of all that? Well, you should be, because we're adding 5 more secrets for a naturally glowing skin. I'm sure number 1 is going to help you get that glow. Number 5, cleanse. Thinking of reaching for those face wipes? Stop. While wiping your face seems to be the easy way out, most face wipes are loaded with chemicals that could do your skin more harm than good. Also, scrubbing and pulling at your skin, especially the delicate skin around the eyes, is a big no. Instead, you might want to invest in a good facial wash that is gentle and suits your skin type. You should use lukewarm water to lather up and rinse your face, as it can help open skin pores. Be sure to not over-cleanse your skin, as doing so can cause it to become dry and break out. Cleanse your face once in the morning and evening. If you have oily skin, simply rinse your face with water and pat dry to control oil between washes. Number 4. You are what you eat. You should always keep an eye on what you eat if you want glowing skin. Skin is not only about the cleanser that you use or the moisturizer you put on at night. It's also about the nutrients that you put into your body. For example, you want to ensure that you have plenty of fresh fruits and veggies in your diet that will give your skin the antioxidants and nutrients that it needs to be healthy. Also, consider snacking healthy. Eat fruits, yogurt, and nuts. Season foods with spices and herbs, and avoid foods that you might be allergic to. Number 3. Sweat it out. Exercising regularly is a great way to get those toxins out of your skin and improve the overall health of your skin. When you sweat it all out, your skin is going to be glowing, not from all the sweat, but from the tons of toxins that were just released from your body. Just make sure that you use some cleanser right after to clean off that extra sweat and give your skin that extra clean glow. Also, make sure that you wash off your makeup with the best available makeup removers before you work out. Because if you keep it on, you're going to be clogging up your pores way more than necessary. Number 2, get that hydration in. Your skin is a living organ that is made up of cells that need adequate water for functioning. Not staying sufficiently hydrated can cause the skin to become dry and flaky, and dry skin is prone to wrinkles and age spots. While you've probably heard that drinking 8 glasses of water a day is recommended, this should just serve to remind you to drink more water. That's because when your body is hydrated, that includes the skin on your face. In addition to drinking water, you can add plenty of water-heavy vegetables and fruits into your diet to get that extra hydration. And last but not the least, number 1, get your beauty sleep. You could try all the beauty tricks known to mankind and still end up with the same dull, lifeless skin, just because you're not getting enough sleep. Tired mind and body show up on your skin and make it appear rough and dull. That is because the increased blood flow and collagen production all take place while you are getting your beauty sleep. It also allows your skin to repair and heal so you wake up fresh and glowing. From now on, take a little extra time to snooze and stress less. It can slow down the clock, maintain skin health, and retain your natural glow. Have you tried any of these secrets? Share your experience with us in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about skincare routines, check out our video on 10 things you're doing wrong with your skin. And if you find this video interesting, we'd love you to support us for more life hacks and interesting facts.